we're going to get started with a demo of the Fresh Sales Suite today. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mark Connolly, and I'm a cybersecurity architect for Empyrean. I specialize in cloud technologies, and one of the benefits of my job is I get to try new technologies and test them out and work them through the paces, make sure that they meet security standards, et cetera, et cetera. And one of the things I got to do this week was mess with Fresh Sales, and I'm going to do a demo of it right now. All right, so for the purposes of this demo, get this out of the way. All right, so for the purposes of this demo, I am operating as both the customer and the salesperson. So Mark Connolly, I'm Mark Connolly at Empyrean. I'm the salesperson, and then my personal email is the company that I run because I started up a coloring book company for the purposes of demo. So I've got an Amazon e-commerce store using KDP, and I created a couple coloring books. All right. So there's a bunch of marketing stuff in here, and I'm not going to get too much into the marketing because I want to go through the sales stuff. But basically, whether through social media, email campaigns, landing pages, whatever, you are going to get contacts, and your contacts are going to become accounts. Oops, sorry. They're going to become accounts, and you're going to work those through the sales cycle. So, to start off with, at the top here, this Freshworks system, the entire Fresh platform, has this Freddy AI built into it, and kind of like Microsoft's Copilot. This is kind of the way the world is going, so I like to see this in all the different tools that I'm using. And you can do a lot of cool stuff here. Create SLAs, look at chats, look at statistics. There's also a dashboard here. So this is an activities dashboard. So right now I'm recording this Fresh Sales Suite demo, and then I have a meeting later to work on a custom application project that I'm working on. And you can see all your meetings and everything in your dashboard. And there's a sales dashboard and a marketing dashboard as well. So when we get into accounts, you're going to put details about the account in here. So I've got the Muhammad Coloring Books company created in here. And we've got some details. So I don't have a website. I do have a Facebook. I do have an Instagram. Retail company. And we need to sell this thing, this company something. So one of the cool things is that all your salespeople, their back and forth email systems are just going to be integrated into the contacts. So you'll get to see a whole history. So this is one that I just sent. So Mark Connolly, the customer, emailed Mark Connolly, the salesperson, and they want to host an Amazon store, and they're going to put coloring books, and they're going to publish them, and they're going to do some social media services. All right, so we need to make a deal for that. So inside of our deal management, we have products. That's what we're going to start off with. I've created a few demo products in here for MSP purposes, web hosting, backups, managed users, Microsoft 365 Premium, e-commerce stores, things of that nature. So we need to go in and create a deal. Add a deal. And that's me. Coloring books. This is a managed services deal. We're going to add some products to it. So give you business premium. An e-commerce website. And we are going to take setup fees, and we'll take them down a little bit. And okay, so we have 2 people in business premium. It's going to take 5 architect hours. It's going to take 20 engineer hours for that deal. All right, so the deal value is $2,895. So there's a bunch of specific information related to a deal in here: close date, payment date. If you lose the deal, what's the lost reason? As a salesperson, you can go in here as you're negotiating and type your notes, and then you can see all your activities related to the deal here. So as a salesperson, one of the first things that you want to do is qualify a customer. We can move this to the qualification stage. I have already qualified myself because I want the service and I've already responded. Go through, do discovery with the customer. So, kind of figure out what the specifics are related to the deal that you need. And then demo, negotiation, tell them what you can do, negotiate a price, and then go to one lost. So before you get to one lost, we need to actually create a quote off of this. So let's go into quotes and we're going to add a quote. 1, 2, 4. And I'm going to use a sales quote template. You definitely need to customize the templates before you start messing with this. This is attached to this deal, this account, primary contact. So during the negotiation process, these numbers are going to change a little bit, but we're going to save the quote regardless. And this quote has product table, prices, and then a signature. So we're going to save this. And we're actually going to send this to the customer. And we're going to say, Mark, the customer, is responsible for signing this deal. And we don't need to CC anybody. So here is managed service quote Q1 24. Thank you for inquiring about our services. Please see quote. All right, so we're going to preview and send that. All right. And we can adjust fields here as far as like the document signatures goes. I only really need the signature here, so we're going to send this off for signature. Yep, here goes the email. All right, so now it's automatically changed to its stage. Go ahead and get that email pulled up. All right, so this is what the customer sees. Go in here, request signature. This is who it's coming from. We're going to review and sign. All right, all that looks good to me. Insert signature, accept the deal. All the emails go back and forth as expected. And then this should automatically change up to accepted. And I'm going to sync the quote with the deal so that the accepted change should automatically pipe back to the deal. Oh, did I miss? Okay. Apparently I missed a step. All right. Let's refresh the quote and see what it says. All right, so this quote, see the signing status, sign. Quote's been locked. The close date is 25th. There we go. So now I can go straight from this deal that is now in one status and create a ticket. This is going to create a ticket in the Fresh Service module. They're integrated. If you have Freshsales, you're probably going to be tied into some of the other things. But after a sale gets done, you definitely want to give it to the people that are actually going to be able to do the work, so that they can execute on it. So we'll say Mark. Wait, no. I need Mark, the company person. All right. So new service. I get a feature request pending because I don't want to get notifications about it. Customer support. Set up Amazon e-commerce store. All right, now on the service side, go to my ticket queue and I can see that I have a ticket here that I can dispatch to a tech to actually go start doing this work. They can track their time logs here. They can track their to-do list, and then the associated sales activities over here are imported automatically. And then if you have, MSP deployment guides, solutions, here's the details about Microsoft 365. Here's how you put in support, FAQs, getting started guides. Here's how you pay your bill. You can tie all that to the Freshdesk part of the system and have that kind of be part of the workflows. There's a ton of automation here in the background that you can do as far as workflows and social media channels and email systems and everything. And then you can go back here and look at all the analytics on both the service side and the sales side. So there we go. Trends, ticket performance, help desk volume. We can go over here to where are analytics. We can go to sales activity. Hopefully we'll see some data in here because we just want a deal. Here we go. E-commerce, email campaigns. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. Sales trends, sales dashboard. Let's try that one. Contacts, pipeline, deals closed. Okay, no data. Maybe it takes a little bit to sync, but you kind of get the gist of it. And it's a pretty cool system. I like it a lot. Anytime that you're dealing with your marketing or anything, somebody comes into your pipeline, it automatically just kind of comes in here and creates the contacts for you, creates the accounts, and pictures that it can pull off the internet, social media profiles, things of that nature. It just scrapes it and pulls it in here, and you can have your salespeople just kind of work through their pipeline and build those contacts up into accounts that are ready for deals. Actually pitch them deals, send them quotes based on the products in your product catalog, close those deals, translate them to the service desk so that they can actually deploy the services. So that's the Freshworks system. I've been messing with it for about a week or so now. I think I got like 16 days left in my trial up here. But I really, really like it. It's a cool system. And if you're ever looking to check out a system like this, then give it a shot. They offer like a 30-day free trial. And just make sure that you go to like one of the suites if you're going to do a trial. Get the suites because you don't want the individual products. You need multiple of their products to work together. For this particular demo, I have the Fresh Caller phone system, the Freshdesk support system, and the Freshsales suite. And it comes up to like $15 a month per user for the growth package. So it's pretty affordable as well. And hope this has helped you. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video.